Hi, welcome back. Now, if you want to know how to organize your video shoots with the ultimate pre-production checklist, stay tuned. Planning a commercial video can be a lot of work. What happens if you get something wrong and your client wants to reshoot? Take the stress off your next video production with this ultimate pre-production checklist. In this video, I will tell you everything you will need to cover to make sure that your next video production shoot goes according to plan and that all the moving pieces line up perfectly so you can relax, have fun and create a really awesome video your client will love. Don't set up your next film shoot without watching this video first. So there are many things to check before to start a shoot. You keep an eye on to everything at once. So I have categorized these checklists into 3 parts. Number 1. Development checklist. There are 4 major subcategories in this checklist. All of these have their own importance in the shoot. It is basically related to things you do before the shoot. Number 1 is the script. You need to check if the script is right for the audience you target or the audience is right for the type of script. Check it at first as the shoot is gonna cost you a lot. Second, script approval. If you are working with a client, you need to check if the script is polished and approved by the client. Rescheduling a shoot is very expensive and you will have to bear the payments thereof by your pocket if any elements you missed to shoot or client want to remove anything from the video. Third would be the budget. You need to check the finances of the shoot you have arranged. The payments you need to pay the actors, crew, equipment rentals and location rentals. All of the expenses should be under budget or you have to pay from your pocket or simply go to the sponsor or the clients to raise the budget if you are requiring any special equipments and get it approved before renting or shooting. Next one is the storyboard. The script has to be storyboarded and approved by the client. Imagine an actor is wearing a jacket and it is a clothing brand commercial you are shooting. After the shoot, the client asks you to change the jacket as you didn't got approval of the apparel and he wants to showcase a new jacket that he is producing. Now all the expenses related to the shoot, that is the actors, crews or equipment rentals, are onto your shoulders and believe me, it is very expensive. So get your script approved as a storyboard and where you are showcasing all the camera angles, apparels, dialogues in the storyboard. Now second category would be the logistic checklist. This category also has 4 subcategories and it is basically related to the people working in your shoot. The first one would be the actors. You need to schedule the actors be at the set or the shooting locations on time, and to do that you need to create a Slack or Asana room that keep them remembering the time of the shoot and for other objects. Second, the crew. You need to schedule the crew as well. They need to know their positions and they need to be aware of their schedule. Remember, if the crew is not on time, the shooting will never happen as they need to take care of the equipments. Third would be the equipments renting companies. You need to rent all the required equipments for the shooting date and be sure that all are present on the set on time to start the shoot. Fourth one will be the list. Remember to share all the required things like dialogue scripts to the actors, scene scripts to the crew members and accurate dates to the equipment company prior to the shoot. You need to create a list on the Slack or Asana and keep them aware of any updates or changes. Now everything was essential in these lists to be ready and on time, on location with everyone else, and everyone knows what to do before they start to do it. There is one more list I would suggest you to make to ensure your shoot takes place and it goes really smooth and you can sit back and enjoy your shoot with zero worries. Third one is the final checklist. This checklist you will be making just for yourself. You need to check all the important and major things of the shoot that requires your most attention. To stay ahead, you need to check if you have done all of it and start your shooting. Number 1 would be gears or equipments ready and in place. Now you need to check if all the equipments that are required have been requested and have been rented. Second, revisualization with key members is done. As per the development checklist, you have to be sure that the client has approved the storyboard and you need to check this if that is done. Number 3, game plan is set. What is a game plan? Your game plan is simply the storyboard and the script is approved. The actors and crew members are aware of their positions and have been shared the script. The equipments have been rented. This is basically is your game plan. Fourth would be the location is locked down. Every shot may has different locations, so you need to lock down all the locations, because if you haven't booked the location or the set, it will take you a lot of time to search for another one if that one is booked already. Fifth is light, camera and audio are ready. Again, the equipments should be ready and the crew knows their position is essential for your shoot to happen. So this was the ultimate pre-production checklist, and I told you how to organize it for your video shoot. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Now, if you want to stay updated with the videos, you need to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to push the bell icon. Thanks for watching.